my name is Fiona, and we're gonna be making some slime today. And we're gonna be learning how we can make different textures. First, we need to add any kind of glue. And you don't need to add a lot or a little. You just need to add a little of glue if you want to make a little slime, or a lot of glue to make a big slime. And I want to make like a medium slime. I think that's a medium slime.
Can you show us what's in the bowl?
And there's like glue in the bowl. And I'm gonna just give that a little stir to get it a little activated, because you always want to do this. And if you want, you can add food coloring, but I want mine to be white as a ghost. Now I got some borax water, and you need to make the water warm or hot, because so you know it can dissolve. And if you add cold water, it will just form into a clump, and then you won't have borax water. You'll just have borax clumps and water.
Can you show us what borax is?
And this is borax. And you want to be very careful with it, because it can dry out your hands very easily if you add too much. So,
What does the borax do to the glue?
Good question. That activates the glue and makes it into slime, and makes it into like a consistency. But this is one of my slimes I made. It's not that good. It doesn't stretch very good, but it's a very good texture, and it pops very nice. It's like flarp slime. I'm gonna put that back in the bowl. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of this to make it activated, like that. And it's like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be good.
Ma'am, what are those goggles protecting?
My eyes.
Put them on your eyes, please. Thank you.
Yes.
Do I need to replace you?
No.
Put the goggles on your eyes.
What?
Safety first. Thank you. So you're adding a little bit at a time? What's happening over there?
It's activating.
What does that mean?
It means that, do you know this glue is like watery and stuff? Here, I can take my goggles off now. So, the glue is watery, and
then you add the borax.
yeah, which activates the slime, and then it turns into slime. And sometimes you add too much, which that's okay, and it doesn't turn into a very good slime. It just turns into, like, I left a little bit of slime in here and activator, and I'm letting it soak, and it seems like it turned into stringy and just not slime. like, I don't even know.
Just
what
like globs.
Yeah, and this.
Can you, hold on, I'm gonna zoom in. Show us the texture of that.
This is just like stretchy. And I want to make a little jelly slime, and I did it. And I want to show you all of the other slimes that I made. So first, this one that I just made. Now this one that I showed to you.
What would you call that?
This is like, well, this slime is a jelly slime. This slime is like a squishy texture, nice slime. And this is like, I wanted to put a lot of clumps in this to make it texture, like, I don't even know if this
Textured.
is yeah. And it's just textured. And I like it. What does this look like to you?
Gross.
Other than gross.
Kind of like dried up paint.
It looks like to me, like smashed noodles,
Okay.
but they're colored and they have lots of stuff in them. And
you have one more slime here?
yes, I have one more slime. This is probably my second favorite because it's nice and stretchy, but it's not that stretchy. It, like, do you know when you squish something, it's hard, kind of like this glass? This is like nice. But glue is like, I have some right here, and it's like very stretchy. That's what makes this stretchy. So that's what makes it like stretchy.
And so which one's your favorite?
This one.
And what's the difference between the two of them?
That this one is like very, like, you see right here,
Yeah.
they are not the same.
Hold on. Let me show everybody else.
Like,
There we go.
they're like a slightly different in color. Like this one is like a purple gray. This one is like a purple dark gray. And if you squish it, it's like squishing jelly. Just like this one, squishing jelly. But this one is a little bit of squishing jelly. And nice. And I want to tell you all the slime textures that we can make. Well, I'm not going to tell you all of them because there's a lot. Maybe I'll tell you all of them. So, butter slime, water slime, stretchy slime, crunchy slime, loud slime, bubbly slime, clear slime, putty slime, color slime. You can just name things in front of it, but you don't know what it is, basically.
All right. Thanks, Fiona. Thanks for teaching us all about slime today.
Yes. Bye.